Hi, some of you thought that will and going to are not that simple. So today I would like to show you some shortcuts or tricks to understand the two tenses better. There are some things about the future that you cannot change. That is your age and things that belong to the calendar. Pravilo, ki si ga morate zapomniti posebej, je naslednje. Kadar govorimo o stvarih, ki jih v prihodnosti ne moremo spremeniti, naprimer koliko bomo stari ali kateri dan bo jutri, takrat uporabimo will. I will be 15 next year. My mom will be 45 soon. It will be 2021 next year. Monday will be here in 2 days. Na te stvari nimamo nobenega vpliva in tukaj vedno uporabimo will future. There's a magic question which will help you decide when to use will and when to use going to. The question is, who am I talking about? You see, there's a difference when we talk about ourselves and when we talk about other people. We see ourselves differently than other people. Just look at these pictures. When I'm talking about me, I have to ask myself, when did I decide to do this? There are two options, at the moment of speaking or before the moment of speaking. Kadar se za nekaj odločimo v trenutku govorjenja, pa naj gre za grožnjo, obljubo, prošnjo ali pač trenutno odločitev, bomo uporabili will. Kadar smo se za nekaj odločili že prej, torej načrtujemo, bomo uporabili going to future. Poglejmo si zdaj nekaj primerov.
Hey, let's prank Mark.
Sure, let's!
Will you help us?
Absolutely, I will.
Hey, Kate, I lost your car keys.
Okay. Wait, what? I will never forgive you!
Sis, I'm joking.
I will kill you! V obeh primerih gre za SMS sporočilo, kjer nekdo sprejme odločitev v trenutku govorjenja oziroma pisanja. Will you help us je prošnja za pomoč, absolutely I will je obljuba. Po drugi strani imamo na desni I will never forgive you in I will kill you grožnjo, ki je bila sprejeta v trenutku govorjenja. Kaj pa, če smo odločitev sprejeli pred trenutkom govorjenja? What are you going to do this winter break?
With the coronavirus everywhere? We're going to stay at home. You?
I'm going to ski on Krvavec.
Have you decided what school you're going to?
Yep, I'm going to become a teacher.
Are you kidding?
No, seriously, I'm going to have all my summers and holidays off.
Wake up, kid.
V levem pogovoru se pogovarjamo o načrtih. What are you going to do this winter break? Kaj nameravaš delati te zimske počitnice? We're going to stay at home. Mi bomo ostali doma. Mi nameravamo ostati doma. I'm going to ski on Krvavec. Mi gremo smučat na Krvavec. V vseh treh primerih gre za odločitve pred trenutkom govorjenja. V desnem primeru teče pogovor o življenjskih načrtih. I'm going to become a teacher. Postala bom učiteljica. I'm going to have all my summers and holidays off. Taki so načrti. Se pravi, imela bom vsa poletja in vse počitnice proste. Če se bo to uresničilo, pa bo seveda pokazal čas. When we talk about other people, it doesn't matter when we decide something will happen. What is important is How do I know something will happen? Do I think it will happen, or am I sure because I saw, heard or read about it? Ko govorimo o drugih, torej ni pomembno, kdaj smo se za nekaj odločili oziroma kdaj so se oni za nekaj odločili, ker tega ne vemo. Tukaj se vprašamo, kako vem, da se bo nekaj zgodilo. Ali to samo mislim, upam, verjamem? Ali pa sem prepričan, ker imam dokaz, sem slišal, videl ali prebral, da se bo nekaj v resnici zgodilo. V prvem primeru uporabimo will future, v drugem going to future. Pri primerih si bomo spet pomagali s telefonskimi sporočili. I saw Rebecca last night.
Who cares?
I think she will have a baby.
Are you sure?
No, I hope she's just fat.
Get a life, man.
Hi, what's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
No idea.
I hope it will snow a lot.
Why?
My mother-in-law wants to come for a visit. V levem primeru govorec samo ugiba oziroma samo misli, ali bo Rebecca imela dojenčka, ker za to nima dokaza. I think she will have a baby. V desnem primeru upa, da bo snežilo. I hope it will snow. Za to nima nobenega dokaza. Kadar dokaz imamo, uporabimo going to. I saw Rebecca last night.
Who cares?
She's going to have a baby.
How do you know?
She had ultrasound pictures and told everyone.
Whoa.
Hi, what's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
It's going to rain all day.
Are you sure?
Yep, I heard it on the radio.
V levem primeru je govorec prepričan, da bo imela Rebecca dojenčka. Zato ima dokaz. She had ultrasound pictures and told everyone. Seboj je imela slike z ultrazvoka in o tem vsem pripovedovala. Zato uporabi going to. She's going to have a baby. V drugem primeru je govorec prepričan, da bo cel dan deževalo. It's going to rain all day. Dokaz za to? I heard it on the radio. To sem slišala na radiju. For your homework, you will open your workbooks on pages 21 and 22 and do the exercises which are on the screen. Take a photo of your work and post it in the assignments in Teams.